This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
The Chicago broadcasters are participating in the required monthly test of the Chicago Area Emergency Alert System. The system was developed to provide information to the public during an emergency. This is a test.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a national alert, severe weather, or a local emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the lower Hudson Valley area, and this concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Why don't I just drop over?
The emergency alert system. The equipment that can warn you of a life-threatening emergency is being tested. If this has been an actual emergency or life-threatening condition, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations at the Roanoke Extended Operational Area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado warning or flash flood warning, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
16-gig iPad Mini 3 with a 5-megapixel camera. Smart cards included.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. KUER serves the Salt Lake City area.
This is a monthly coordinated test of the broadcast stations and cable systems of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a hurricane, tornado, or other emergency condition, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the entire state of Florida. This test is brought to you by the Florida Department of Community Affairs, Division of Emergency Management, and the Florida Association of Broadcasters. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
The matching earring and a warning on the earring that there are only 20. From the back, and you get on top of me, I have a
Mr. Raccoon? Why are you awake so late?
Oh, I always get up around this time. I have to wake up to work at the bakery.
You can't do that during the day?
This is a test. This station is conducting a required weekly or required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Esta es una prueba. Esta estación está transmitiendo la prueba semanal o mensual requerida por el sistema de alarma y de emergencia. Esta es solamente una prueba.
Time to make the muffins.
Goodbye, Mr. Raccoon.
I'll take it.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a winter storm, flood, or tornado, official messages would have followed this alert tone. Stations of the South Dakota Public Broadcasting Network serve all operational areas of the state of South Dakota. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. Broadcasters in cooperation with local, state, and federal authorities have developed this system to provide the public with important information should the need arise. This concludes the monthly test of North Carolina Emergency Alert System.
Right now, you can get some stuff from my Fox shop. You can get a camera, this clock globe thing, crystal egg, this fountain thing, and whatever this is. You can get some for yourself, only $199 a piece. Call me now at 555-0069. Call now to get yours.
The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Had this been an actual emergency, you would have been given important information concerning the emergency. This concludes this monthly test of the Emergency Alert System.
This is a required monthly test of the Mississippi Emergency Alert System by the Mississippi Emergency Management Agency. In the event of an actual emergency, stay tuned to this station for important emergency information. Again, this is only a test of the EAS by the Mississippi Emergency Management Agency.
This is a test of the EAS system. That's what it sounded like.
The system would bring you important information. This concludes this required statewide monthly test.
Whoa!
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Nice. First monthly test 2021.
This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado watch, tornado warning, flash flood warning, or a hurricane warning, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This station serves the state of South Carolina and the Columbia area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado watch, tornado warning, a flash flood warning, or a hurricane warning, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This station serves the state of South Carolina and the Columbia area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the New York City emergency alert system. In the event of an actual emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test of the emergency alert system is now concluded.
Production alert regarding the following child. Kayla, middle initial L, last name Dean. She's a white female born November 8th, 1987. She's 5 foot 7 inches tall, 130 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. The child was last seen at Oxford, Wisconsin, at an address on West Nina Drive. Child was last...
Did you kill it? Okay, yeah. Good. Let's go back to the EAS. So apparently it knows the difference between a test and an emergency.
Sure.
Does the audio go up?
Time control again.
Okay. So we got two choices. We can either get it right out there, or, you know, maybe the audio has, I don't know. Why don't you record over here real quick? Can you record it that fast? Yeah. Okay. So apparently the machine must be smart enough to have different recordings. Okay. Which I didn't think it was, but apparently it is. So I'll let you rip All right, so I'm where I'm going to be. Okay. This is a child abduction alert regarding the following child: Lillian Diane Kohut, K-O-H-U-T, a white female born March 20, 2002. The suspect vehicle was last seen at the Flying J truck stop in Oak Creek, Wisconsin, located at Highway 100 and the Interstate 94 at approximately 1:45 p.m. The child was last seen wearing unknown colored pajamas. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of Shane L. Kohut, a male white born July 15, 1977. Physical description: 5 foot 7 inches, 168 pounds.
The alert tones you just heard indicate that your emergency alert system has been activated. This system now being tested is activated for Amber Alerts when children are abducted and investigators wish to enlist your help recovering these children. The National Weather Service and your local public safety officials use the emergency alert system to warn you of events that pose threats to your life, health, and property. Your local broadcasters volunteer to donate their airtime to bring you these messages. This text message was originated by Oregon Emergency Management.